Let me introduce with this tiny flower, Portulaca or moss rose. If you are tired of watering your house plants daily in hot summer days, or your garden is not ready in rainy days for any flowering plant to grow, or if you want to cover any sunny and hot spot in your house, then moss rose or Portulaca is the right choice for all these. I can think of a better, more cheerful tiny plants that gives your garden a spectacular look other than this plant. Once it is settled in your garden, it doesn't need any attention. But sometimes we fail to survive these plants in your garden, though it is very easy growing house plants, because we are not aware of certain basic gardening tips or some caring tips which are different from plant to plant. So let's know more about this tiny succulent moss rose or porcelain or Portulaca. Portulaca blooms throughout the summer profusely and lasts up to September and October. Sometimes they may not stand the cold in the winter. Place them any spot that receives direct intense sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. If they are under shade, I am going to show you what happens to them. Without sunlight, you see these three pots are under shade nets. So they have ended with these elongated stems, absolutely no flowers or only 1 or 2 flowers on each stem. Give them space when planting them in the soil, they grow very fast, or else they will be crowded with weaker stems like this. You get flowers, no doubt, but smaller in size. Moss rose grows well horizontally and they cover any empty space very fast, and their roots don't go deep inside the soil. So it is very important to plant them in a shallow flat trays and any pots which are not so deep. Here is a big difference from other plants. They thrive in sandy, well-drained, poor conditioned soil. They don't bloom if your soil is rich in nutrients and organic matters. Moss rose is a semi-succulent and grow very well in dry and desert-like climate. So you may ask how many times a moss rose need watering. That depends on which area you are staying in. In hot and dry climate, they need light sprinkling every day, just like desert fern habit. In rainy days or wet weather, you have to change your water schedule. That means water deeply when the soil is dry completely. They don't need any fertilizer. Usually I mix the organic matter to the top of the soil while propagating them or planting them in the soil for the first time to have a good start. During blooming, that means in summer days, I feed them with micronutrients once in a month. Here I would like to give you one more tip. Water your plants immediately after applying any fertilizer in dry condition. This thumb rule is applicable for all the plants. If you apply any liquid fertilizer to your soil directly, it is very much important to water them, your plants, thoroughly before applying it. Once your plant is settled in your pots, you have to do one task, that means soft pruning. That means deadheading the tips of the plants. You remove such stems. You can see no leaves here. These are the full of leaves. So you can find the difference. You have to remove these stems only, not this one. Benefit is new branches and new blooms come off immediately, and you can maintain it safe if it is growing widely. If you want to reuse the plant for the next year, save a few heads, don't trim off to have seeds on them. But I always prefer to grow them from their cuttings, it is rather easy. Portulaca's fleshy leaves and stems are easily attracted by the aphids and easily died off due to overcrowding and overwatering. So remove the affected part immediately. Spray the dilute solution of neem oil. Just get ready or to collect one plant or rush to any nursery if you don't have any. you will end up having lots of plants by pinching up some stems or cuttings of 5 to 6 inch, planting them even poor desert like soil. They will be like this. So in short, give them space, give them intense sunlight, deadheading them protects from weeds. That's all. You will be able to enjoying the stunning beauty of your moss rose in your garden throughout the summer and in rainy days also. And I'm sure you can't stop from collecting every single color of these tiny succulent house plants, that is moss rose or portulaca.